Cask Masterclass, an innovative beer training course from the experts at Cask Marque. Cask Masterclass is a unique way of learning about cask ale. It's a blend of live tutorials, instructional videos and interactive check your knowledge assessment tests. Each tutorial is live hosted by a Cask Marque trainer via Zoom. This means you can ask questions in real time and tap into the knowledge of an expert. Getting the quality of cask ale right takes skill, knowledge and training. Cask Marque understand that classroom-based training isn't for everyone, and that's why we're bringing the training room to you. There are 5 modules, each lasting an hour. Each module contains a live presentation, instructional videos, interactive tests, action plans, and links to additional training resources and documents. You'll understand why cask ale is different to other beer categories and learn why getting cask quality right can make a big difference to your bottom line. You'll know what makes a great cask ale cellar, how to clean beer lines, and the equipment you need to get the best quality beer. You'll learn how to condition cask ale correctly in the cellar using a variety of methods, and know how to identify when cask ale is fully conditioned. You'll learn how to check glassware is fit to fill, understand dispense equipment, and know how to pour the perfect pint. You'll learn some of the most common faults in cask ale and why they occur, and how to avoid them. Everything we deliver in face-to-face and classroom-based training is brought to you virtually. This is for anyone employed in a business responsible for handling, storing and serving cask ale. Cask Masterclass is an ideal refresher course for experienced cask ale handlers and an excellent training solution for anyone who's new to cask ale. Sales teams and business development managers will also find the course beneficial. Cask Masterclass costs £60 plus VAT per person, which includes 5 virtual workshops, the Cask Masterclass workbook and action plan, downloadable posters and checklists, and a certificate of achievement. You will need a laptop or a tablet, headphones, and a pen to take some notes. Cask Masterclasses are scheduled at various times of the week every month. You can also request a specific time and date for the whole of your team. Just ask for details. To find out dates and book, visit caskmarque.co.uk/training or email info@caskmarque or call 01 206 75 2212.